Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, you guys are going to watch me do cleaning and reorganizing our kitchen cabinets. I am going to break this up into two videos. So next week, you guys are going to see me finish out everything in the kitchen. I am so excited that you guys decided to join me. So if you guys are into organizing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's hop into this video. And of course, the first thing that I need to do is take everything out the cabinets. You guys, if you are old school, you already know you got those yellow bowls that's supposed to be clear. I got to get all this stuff cleaned out and see what I have and get rid of a lot of stuff that we are just not using. So let me do that and you guys keep on watching. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'll go. We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Open mind, hiding by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith, you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in places, going off to different places, different planets. What you are pass me by. So you guys, having all this cabinet space is a good and bad thing. I'm grateful that we have all this cabinet space, but it also leaves room for me to put everything in there and not ever go through it. And that is something that I am going to start doing. And the only reason why it looks like this is because the cabinets are closed and nobody can see it. And of course I got kids. So you guys know how it is if you are moms, or even if you're not moms, you just throw things behind the cabinet door. You said that you needed me. Like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't. And now I'm just going to wipe everything down. Believe it or not, you guys, the cabinets do get dusty. So I'm sure you guys all realize that, but I didn't realize how dusty our cabinets were. And here we are putting bowls and stuff on top of all this dust. But we do rinse our stuff off before we use them. But I just was pretty shocked to see all that. So I went ahead and bought some acrylic glasses, all shapes and sizes, because I realized over the holidays that we do not have extra cups for people to use, because typically we buy paper cups, but we actually ran out of cups for some reason this Christmas holiday. So when they asked me for cups, I really didn't have any. I have some, but they're like kid cups we've been having for years. So I decided to go on Amazon and get a bunch of cups in case that had ever happened again, because it was a little embarrassing, but it's because we drink out of our own personal water bottles in our house because it's just 4 of us. But I'm glad that I decided to get these, so these will always be in there if you come to my house. So if any of my friends are watching this video,
I got you. So I just love that I have these, and I will link everything in the description box for you guys.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. I'm not gonna play hard to get through. I'm not gonna say I'm loving you too. I'm not gonna stay, gotta be alone. Let's talk, meet me at the avenue. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me. Like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for ya. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I know you wanna try, give me that space.
Now on this side of the cabinet, I'm just stacking all our plates. Now I've been having these plates for years. I have white plates and I have clear plates, and then we actually eat off of earth plates. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but I will try to find some similar on Amazon. I got mine from Home Goods, but we love eating out of those. So I'm going to put the bowls on the top and then the glass bowls, because I am trying to switch over to just using glass bowls when we store our food. And if you watch my refrigerator video, these are actually the bowls that I use to store in our refrigerator for leftovers.
The way you used to hold me, like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for ya. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me. Like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for ya. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over.
Those are BPA free bowls that I got off of Amazon, and you get a bunch in a pack, you guys, for really cheap. I'm pretty sure it was like 20 or 30 bucks. I can't remember, but of course I will link them in the description box. I got those in case we have a get together and people need to take food home. That way I will have containers for them. You guys, I love the way these cabinets look. And even after I stopped videotaping, I went and got a couple of more things just to make it look very organized, because that is just one of my goals for 2023. So I am so excited that you guys are watching this video.
I got enough of you. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Liar, baby, you're such a liar. Singing out loud to the choir. Liar, 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 liar. Baby, I'm tired, trying to put out my fire. You didn't know I'm a liar, and you're a liar, 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 babe. Buy me a river, talking is silver. You know it's been a while since you came up.
Okay guys, so a lot of the things that you're seeing on the countertop there, and you can't even see it all because of the camera angle, but I am throwing it all away. I'm not gonna lie, I kept it all in a box for one day to make sure that I was definitely ready to throw all of it away, because a lot of the stuff I've been having for years, but I am so excited that I actually got rid of all that baggage, because it just wasn't doing me any good, and a lot of it was just sitting in the cabinet. So if you guys are thinking about doing that, you might want to go ahead and do it, because it's going to make you feel better. So I'm hopefully going to inspire somebody else to do the same, and I'm just so happy that I did it.